Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI, and as you can see, I have this beautiful red scarf here. This is a CJ Apparel scarf that I think has been a really good purchase. I love how soft it is. It's such a great product. The material doesn't wear out. It's so nice, as you can see there up close, really great. And I love that it's also practical and versatile. I can wear it as a nice scarf. I want to show you here. Just like this, to keep my neck nice and warm if I'm going out and it's chilly outside. So easy to put on and take off. But you can also open it up. It has a perfect size here. As you can see, how great is that? Nice and big, yet it doesn't feel too heavy. It actually feels really nice and light. And I can wear it like this, like a nice wrap over a dress to give it a nice elegant look. You can see that shine there, which just shows again how great the product really is. So if you are thinking of getting a really nice scarf either for yourself or to gift, I would recommend this one here. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.